And that filter is actually 1 metre deep. We have waters injected into the bottom of it from our skimming zone, spreads out below the rock layers, and we have rock layers, and that's really important to get those right as well. Like, you don't just fill it up with a 20mm drainage stone, you know, crushed stone, because that's the worst thing you can do, because it compacts and the water tries to find its way through. By having that void under it and having different layers of stone, like the first layer is actually 150mm, and then we go to 100mm, and then we go to 20mm on top, so there's like 3 layers of stone. The water moves up and it moves up through it. And you get really good laminar flow through there, and you get really good contact with the stone, the surface of it, where your biofilm's growing, and that's the filter. It's really basic, really simple stuff, really. We probably learned a lot of it in school, you know, how things filter, and that's what it is. If you don't do that, what you get is a thing called chimneying. You can inject water into the bottom into a pile of rocks, and it'll just come up the fastest way it can. You know, it'll just make a chimney up through the stone and just come out the top, and the whole thing is anaerobic and turn into a different kind of very slow filtration. These blocks are down below in a layer. Now, they don't do any filtering. We often get it, oh, the filter things you use that filter the water. They don't do anything like that at all. What they do is spread the water. We have these laid out under the filter, and then deeper still we have another thing called a centipede, where the water's pushed in, it moves up through this and then spreads out and then moves up through the stone.